Hey guys, this is 250 Bobcat, and today I'm going to be doing a walk around on the 23-6B Caterpillar skid steer. Start off, nice rubber tires, they got a firm feel to them. The blade has got 10 teeth on the front for removing a lot of dirt. Windshield wipers, plastic. Footrest, tough metal. There's the other tires on here. You got like the steel type netting on the sides. It's not really netting though. Here's the exhaust, glass back window, 2 lights on the top as usual, as you see on the Caterpillar. The lights on the back. The fan in there, motor, wires and stuff for the lights on the back, and then 2 footrests right there for whenever the actual door is opened. 2 lights on the front as you normally see on the Caterpillars skid steers. In there, gas tank right there. As you mentioned, the fan, and that's about it. That's about it for my walk around on the Cat 23-6B2 skid steer.